I don't know if you can hear that, but listen. Let me move my hand. Sounds like an animal of some sort of, obviously, but stuck or hurt, I don't know. But I'm just going to walk over that way to see if I can see it. Unfortunately, it's too far in there for me to walk in there the way I'm dressed, shorts, flip-flops, and a t-shirt. Okay, is it done? Remember, the snow on the mountain is like poison ivy. I've never touched it. And I don't know if you've ever seen a mesquite tree up close, especially a young one. Check this dude out. Look how long those thorns are. Let me tell you, you get one of those in your shoe or your flip-flop or your foot, major pain. All right, I'm going to go back and finish what I was doing. What is that? If you know what that is, please let me know. Come on. All right, it stopped.